Because Google Domains is now dead, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google domains to Cloudflare. Cloudflare is one of the good domain providers out there because of cost and features. What we'll need to do first is configure the Cloudflare name server before we can transfer it out from Google Domains. This will also help if you already have a live website pointing to this domain. This is the domain that I want to transfer, so let's go to Cloudflare. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up. And signing up is very easy. All you need to do is put an email address, a password, and then click Sign Up. If you already have an account, click Login, and then enter your username and password, and then click Login. If you've configured your domain on Cloudflare before, you'll see it listed here. On my case, I don't have one on this account. You can click Register a new domain or Get Started. Enter your domain on this field, and then click Continue. It will quickly scan your domain for the name server. Then it will ask you what plan you want. You don't necessarily need to pick one, so scroll down and you should see the free plan. Then click Continue. It now found the name servers configured in our domain. Now we need to replace it with Cloudflare's name servers. We have two. I'm going to copy this one. Now go to Google Domains. Select the domain that you want to transfer and then click DNS. You'll see Custom Name Server tab. Click that. Then click Manage Name Servers. These are the name servers that you want to replace. Put the Cloudflare name server over here. I'm going to go back to Cloudflare and copy the second name server and then paste this on Google Domain. That's it. Then click Save. Next, you want to turn it on by clicking Switch to these settings. So this may take time to propagate. Usually it takes about 15 minutes to an hour to be ready. Go back to Cloudflare and you'll see Check Name Servers. Click that. Then wait until the name servers have taken effect.
A few moments later.
I've waited for a bit, so click your domain over here on the top left. And you can see that my domain is now active. We are now ready to transfer this domain. So click Domain Registration and then click Transfer Domains. The domain is listed over here. But according to this registry status, we need to unlock the domain first before we can transfer it. So go back to Google Domains and then look for Registration Settings. And then scroll all the way down. I'm going to turn off Auto Renew first, just in case I forget to complete this. And yes, cancel. Even though we're transferring it, I just want to make sure. And then this is what we need, which is domain is locked. So unlock that. We're also going to need the auth code. So click it and then log in with your username and password. And then it will reveal the auth code. You might also see a few warnings. The first one is regarding Google Workspace, that you need to enable billing once you've transferred your domain. It also mentions the domain auto renew and DNS settings, which we don't need to worry about here. We'll worry about it on Cloudflare. Copy the auth code by clicking this icon over here, and then go back to Cloudflare. Unlocking a domain may take another 15 minutes to an hour to take effect. So wait a few minutes and then refresh this page. This is what you'll see when Cloudflare is ready to take over that domain. It shows your domain name, current expiration date, new expiration date, and the wholesale cost. To purchase the domain on Cloudflare, you need to add a payment method. So in payment method, you want to add your credit card, your billing address over here, and then scroll down and click Confirm. Once you've added that, click Domain Registration, and then click Transfer Domain again. Then scroll down and then you'll see Confirm Domain. So this gives us instructions on how to transfer the domain. We've already logged into our registrar account. We've also unlocked the domain. And the last thing is to add the authorization code that we copied earlier. So paste it over here. And then click Confirm and proceed. Then add your contact info, which are all mandatory. The good thing is privacy protection is free under Cloudflare, so your info won't show up when someone looks up your domain. Once you fill out your info, click Confirm and finalize the transfer. If you were able to follow all those steps, this is what you should see. If this video is helpful to you so far, please help me out and click the like button so the YouTube algorithm can promote this video. Now, according to this, it might take 5 days for the transfer to complete. You don't really need to wait 5 days for this, because you'll get an email from Google Domains that your domain is being transferred. So go to your email and you should see an email similar to this. If you're ready to proceed, click the Cancel and Approve Transfer. Then it will explain what will happen. If you are ready to proceed, click Transfer. And then that's it. You have now successfully transferred your domain. So if you go back to Cloudflare and then click Manage Domain and then refresh the website, it should give you the auto renew and that the status is active. Now, if you want to learn how to create a free website using Google Cloud and Cloudflare, here's my video on that. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or simply say thanks. Have a great day.